Police owns me. Police in Jibanja.
Let's go.
Nabaana yange. Sitawa nokubakyalira na musula kala. Sina motoka. Don't terrorize me.
Let's go to office.
What are you want from me? Because you never share about Jabachu Kubakwat. Who wrote this letter? Unless these institutions are just empty.
Let's go with you.
I am owed money by this institution for brutalizing me and removing my uterus. I have come to express myself.
Let's go to the right place. Where you're going to demand your money.
Can we use our card to follow us? You don't do that.
Giving them a
I'm not bringing any orders. This is the law.
We are the state, you know that.
This is the law.
So you have to abide with what we are telling you.
This is why I came here.
Too much English, that's it. Why?
What language do you speak?
Me.
I'm not here to speak English.
So let us come together. And we are bringing on one.
I'm not running.
I don't bring English, I also bring. We shall move together. So put on
This is unfair. This is unfair. Can we go? We have I have a car.
Let us share that in front. Let us share that in front there. Open and share in front there. Okay. Share.
Come. You are talking my car. The police. I came yesterday and I informed you. I'm sorry. I've never been in court. I don't want to even come again. I will have won the case. We are not coming. I informed you that I will visit this with the police. Respect us as mothers of this country. Respect us as taxpayers. Our sisters, don't let these people make you do mistakes. I have a letter. I have a letter. Notifying you that I'm coming here. We can't terrorize us. You can't terrorize us. What have we done? We have not fight the police. I have the letter. We are not What client? I'm bringing the letter. I have the letter. It is here. Where? In my vehicle. You're terrorizing my child. Let me get my letter. I notified the police. I am not. Why do I move the baby? Do I leave him with you? Let me get my letter. I am not coming.
Well, what's the date?
How are we going to play? Why don't you walk?
Let us walk.
Why don't you walk?
No. Vote.
Why don't I have sick legs.
We are not thieves.
I have sick legs.
Respect us.
I have sick legs. That's why I'm looking for justice.
I informed these people.
I'm watching to the
I
office.
informed you yesterday.
Can you allow me to walk?
Was written to. Why do you?